Look at you, look at you.
Hi. You're so photogenic. Look at you. You are. Yeah.
We have Roberto, who is our first candidate with his puppy Hector. I've been with Hector since you received him.
When I first got him, he was shy. I got him from a shelter in Newark. As soon as I saw him, I don't know, he just caught me. He just caught my eyes. I've seen a lot of different dogs, different shelters, but for some reason he was the one. And I had him almost a month now.
That's good.
Had him for a month, then he's good. I've been trying to get a service dog for years. Even though he's not a service dog, I'm gonna have him trained. And if it wasn't because of the organization, honestly, I wouldn't know anything about it. Luckily, one of my buddies that I did a PTSD program in Lions, Pedro, he introduced me to a dog.
Yes, sir.
And that's how everything just started rolling. And I spoke with Doc. It's like, yeah, we can help you out. And before I knew it, 2 weeks later, I was picking him up. It was the best thing, to be honest with you. And I'm just happy for the organization to help vets. And hopefully, once other vets see this, they will encourage to seek help or just seek any type of assistance they need through their organization.
He's definitely, you
Yes,
came
they
in.
did.
You know, it's an amazing thing with the bond that animals have with human beings, and especially the bond that we can make as veterans with animals. I'm Jonathan Sanchez, and I'm here with Roberto. Thank you so much, and thank you for your service.
Thank you.
Congratulations.
Thanks a lot. Thanks to the organization.
Thank you. If you're looking for more information on Vet's Best Friend, please keep an eye on the New Jersey Veterans Network social media pages. Produced by Knightlife Entertainment.